Hello everyone, this is Reptile Sablogs. This is my presentation of my candle and candle holder. This is made from recycled materials. I have here this candle, Christmas candle, pillar type, but short. This is decorated with a crystal. The crystal just wrap around and fix it with glue and decorate it with Christmas decorations. Look at here, just to add beauty. And this is the base is a glass. Look, I put a glass on the center and put this big flower, artificial flower, on the top of the glass, and put on the top this decorated candle. And the base is decorated with this ribbon type pasta painted with nail polish mint green and with a crystal, and fix it around. And inside the glass I put red balls and pine cones. And here on the body of this glass, or the base, I wrap around with a Christmas lantern garland, and also here decorated with ribbon type real pasta painted with mint green and crystal. So this is now the transformation of my flower base and a candle decorated with crystal and some Christmas ornaments. So this is how to decorate your flower base and decorate your candle. So just watch my live tutorial, just replay, so that you can see how I created this project. Just go to my video gallery and check my live tutorial so you can see how I created this candle and candle holder. So thank you for watching and supporting my channel. I wish everyone a Merry Christmas and a prosperous, healthy, a blessed New Year 2021.